Welcome to the Tax Deed Collective. You're officially inside. First, I want to congratulate you for making the decision to take tax deed investing seriously. You now have access to a complete step-by-step system designed to help you acquire tax-distressed property legally, strategically, and with confidence. This program was built to give you structure, direction, and clarity because tax deed investing is not about guessing. It is not about chasing random auction lists, and it is not about jumping into deals without understanding the process. This is not theory, this is execution. Inside this program, you are going to learn how tax deed sales work state by state. You will learn how to analyze properties before the auction, how to understand the numbers, how to identify potential risks, and how to avoid costly mistakes. You will also learn how to recognize title issues, redemption concerns, ownership problems, and other pitfalls that can turn what looks like a good deal into a bad investment. Most importantly, you will learn how to build real strategies around tax deed investing. That includes flips, rentals, land plays, wholesale opportunities, and alternative acquisition strategies. My recommendation is simple. Do not rush through this course. Follow the modules in order. Take notes as you go. Pause when something is important. Rewatch the lessons when necessary. And most importantly, apply what you learn immediately. This course was designed to remove guesswork and replace it with a structured operating system. Each module builds on the one before it, so the foundation matters. Your first step is to start with Module 1. Commit to understanding the foundation before moving forward. Once you understand the foundation, everything else becomes easier to process, easier to apply, and easier to execute. You are now part of the Tax Deed Collective. Let's build this the right way.